What is a gamma ray burst? Imagine an explosion so powerful that, for a few seconds, it releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. That is a gamma ray burst, often shortened to GRB, and it is one of the most extreme and mysterious phenomena in the universe. Gamma ray bursts are sudden flashes of gamma radiation, the most energetic form of light. They appear without warning, last anywhere from a few milliseconds to several minutes, and then vanish, leaving behind faint afterglows that can be detected across radio, optical, and X-ray wavelengths. Despite their brief duration, GRBs can be observed from billions of light years away, meaning we are witnessing events that happened when the universe was very young. Scientists classify gamma ray bursts into two main types. Short GRBs, lasting less than 2 seconds, are thought to occur when two ultra-dense objects, such as neutron stars, collide and merge. These violent mergers warp spacetime itself and are often associated with gravitational waves. Long GRBs, which can last from several seconds to minutes, are believed to form when a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, collapses under its own gravity, and explodes as a supernova, forming a black hole at its core. As the star collapses, powerful jets of energy punch through its outer layers, releasing intense gamma radiation into space. What makes gamma ray bursts especially fascinating is their sheer power. For a short time, a single GRB can outshine entire galaxies. If one were to occur close enough to Earth and point directly at us, it could severely damage the ozone layer. Fortunately, such events are extremely rare in our cosmic neighborhood. Gamma ray bursts also play a crucial role in modern astronomy. They act as cosmic lighthouses, allowing scientists to study the early universe, measure vast cosmic distances, and understand how the first stars and galaxies formed. Each detected burst provides valuable clues about black holes, neutron stars, and the fundamental laws of physics. In short, a gamma ray burst is not just an explosion. It is a brief but powerful message from the most extreme corners of the universe, reminding us how dynamic, violent, and awe-inspiring space truly is.